Hello guys, and welcome to another promotion thing video. This is Panda from ALS Beginner, and today I just want to show you a project I recently made. So yesterday I was sitting staring, don't know what I did, but I made this soda can project thing, a Cola Zero, and I made it from scratch. So I want you guys, if you want a tutorial or anything, but I want to show how I kinda made it. So what I actually started to do, if you, as you probably can see here, if we go into a new project, what I did is that I took a cylinder and a cone. So what I wanted is that I wanted the cone to be on the top of the cylinder. Then the cylinder was like and that doesn't really matter actually. Then you just go like this. Then you drop the height down. You know, kinda like this. And then you take this one, rotate it 180 degrees, and then you take it down here, and then you basically got a soda can. As I mentioned, then you can model it and do whatever stuff you want. And this is how I made it. And so what I did is that I made this from scratch, and I have made some custom textures, and I have modeled the whole body by myself, and I actually created the textures myself. So I went into to Photoshop to make this texture here. I actually just took some reference image from imagesgoogle.com. I took this image, this. Also used these to model this top thing of the can. Didn't went very well, and some other icons, and and then I made this texture here, and also I got this this barcode font, so I could just type in whatever I wanted. So I have made the barcode myself also, and also I got this Coca-Cola font also, and then a font that's called Zero. So I have pretty much made all this myself. So just if you guys wanted a tutorial or anything on this, I would be happy to make it, and I will soon make a promotion video that I would like you guys to spam and share with others, so my channel can get a little more known, and I can make a little more tutorials for you guys and for more people, and people will enjoy my work. So I want to say thank you for watching this video, and please rate, so I can see if you want me to do more of this, and comment what you think, and what I could do better to improve my videos, and subscribe for more of this. It also really helps my channel grow, and share this video or any video, and or just recommend me to other guys, because it really does help me, and I will be able to make more for you guys, and also I will make a Facebook link in the description. So I'm Panda from ALS Beginner. Peace out.